Tired of hair fall, dry and frizzy hair? Want long, silky and healthy locks without harmful chemicals? Let me share a powerful DIY Fenugreek shampoo that has personally worked wonders for me. It's 100% natural, free from sulfates and parabens, and deeply nourishes your hair from root to tip. Just pure magic from the ingredients your hair will love. Why is this shampoo special? Stops hair fall and strengthens roots. Deeply conditions for soft, silky hair. Fights dandruff and dryness naturally. Promotes thicker, healthier hair growth. I've been using this, and trust me, the difference is real. No more rough, frizzy hair, just smooth, manageable lock. Stay till the end, because I'll reveal how to use this shampoo for faster results and how to store it for long-lasting benefits. Also, tell me in the comments, what's your biggest hair concern? Hair fall, dryness, or dandruff? Let's fix it together. The power-packed ingredients. Before we start, let's talk about the magic ingredients that make this shampoo so powerful. Trust me, once you try this, you'll never go back to store-bought shampoos. Here's what you'll need. Fenugreek Seeds, the secret to stronger, healthier hair. Fenugreek seeds are a miracle ingredient when it comes to hair care. If you're struggling with hair fall, thinning, or dull, lifeless strands, this tiny seed holds the power to completely transform your hair. Stops hair fall and boosts growth. Packed with proteins and nicotinic acid, fenugreek strengthens roots and promotes faster hair growth. Deep conditions and fights. Frizz prevents dandruff and scalp issues. Its antibacterial properties keep your scalp clean and healthy, reducing dandruff and itchiness. Prevents premature graying. Take a clean mixing bowl. Add 3 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds. Cinnamon powder, the secret spice for faster hair growth. Adding just 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder to your DIY hair care can work wonders for your scalp and hair health. Here's why. Boosts scalp circulation. Cinnamon stimulates blood flow to the hair follicles, ensuring they get more oxygen and nutrients, leading to faster, healthier hair growth. Strengthens hair from the roots. Fights dandruff and scalp infections. Its antifungal and antibacterial properties help keep your scalp clean, flake-free, and healthy. Adds natural shine. Now, add 1 TSP of cinnamon powder, mix it well. Tell me in the comments, have you tried any of these ingredients before? If yes, which one is your favorite? Let's prepare the herbal mix. Now let's create our powerful homemade shampoo. This recipe is super easy and gives instant results. Aritha powder, the secret to naturally clean and voluminous hair. Ever dreamed of a shampoo that foams up like store-bought ones, but is 100% natural and chemical-free? This magical Ayurvedic ingredient has been used for centuries as a gentle yet powerful cleanser for hair and scalp. And guess what? It foams naturally. Why Aritha is a hair care must-have. Creates natural foam, deeply cleanses the scalp, promotes hair growth and strength, adds shine and softness, leaves your hair super soft, smooth, and naturally glossy after every wash. Fights dandruff and itchy scalp. Shikakai powder, the ancient secret to thick, shiny hair. Ever wondered how our grandmothers had thick, long, and glossy hair without fancy shampoos? Their secret? Shikakai. This powerful Ayurvedic herb has been used for centuries as a natural hair cleanser and strength booster. Why Shikakai is a game changer for your hair. Nature's own shampoo. Adds shine and volume. Strengthens and promotes hair growth. Fights dandruff and itchy scalp. With its antifungal properties, Shikakai helps keep your scalp clean, balanced, and flake-free. Add 2 tablespoons of Shikakai powder. Green tea powder, the secret to strong, dandruff-free, and healthy hair. Did you know green tea isn't just great for your health, but also works wonders for your hair? If you're struggling with dandruff, weak hair, or slow growth, This powerhouse ingredient is a must-have in your hair care routine. Why green tea powder is a hair care game changer, packed with antioxidants, fights dandruff and soothes scalp. Say goodbye to an itchy, flaky scalp. Boosts hair growth, strengthens and prevents hair fall, balances oil production. Add 1 tablespoon of green tea powder and mix well. Water, 1 cup. Helps extract the nutrients into a shampoo base. Mix all these ingredients well. This combination is so powerful that it will make your hair strong, silky, and frizz-free. Boiling the Herbal shampoo base. Now, let's extract all the goodness by boiling. Let it boil for 15-20 minutes on low heat, stirring occasionally. Look at this. The color is changing as all the nutrients infuse into the water. This is what makes our shampoo so powerful. Comment below if you love natural hair care like this. Once it boils, let it cool completely. Strain the mixture using a fine sieve or muslin cloth to remove any residual particles. This step ensures our shampoo is smooth and easy to apply without any residue in the hair. Now, let's move on to the final step. Aloe Vera Gel, your hair's best friend, ready to transform your hair. Let's talk about the magic of Aloe Vera Gel. Just 2 tablespoons can work wonders for your locks. Not only does it deeply moisturize, but it also reduces frizz, leaving your hair feeling incredibly silky and smooth. This natural powerhouse is packed with vitamins and nutrients that nourish your hair, promote healthy growth, and add that gorgeous shine we all crave. So, say goodbye to dull, lifeless hair, and hello to vibrant, luscious locks. Mix well until you get a smooth, shampoo-like texture. All the magical ingredients I used in this recipe are listed in the description below. Check them out and begin your journey to healthier, stronger, and more beautiful hair today. Now that our shampoo is ready, let's talk about how to use it for maximum benefits. Wet your hair with lukewarm water. Apply this DIY shampoo and gently massage for 2 to 3 minutes. Leave it for 5 minutes so that your scalp absorbs all the nutrients. Rinse with lukewarm water for a shiny finish. Use this shampoo 2 to 3 times a week and you'll see a visible difference in just 1 week. Now tell me in the comments, are you ready to switch to natural hair care? Type yes if you're excited to try this. You can store this shampoo in a glass bottle or an airtight container for up to 1 week in the fridge. Since it's natural, it doesn't contain preservatives. Tip: always shake before use, as natural ingredients settle at the bottom. Now let's talk about results. Here's what you'll notice. First wash, hair feels softer and scalp feels fresh. Week, reduced hair fall and more shine. Month, faster hair growth, thicker, healthier hair. This shampoo is a game changer for hair growth. Who's ready to try it? Watch more DIY hair care videos. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for more natural hair care secrets. Now that you know this amazing homemade shampoo, are you ready to try it? Comment below if you're excited. If you love this video, don't forget to like, share, and comment your results. Let's grow our hair naturally. See you in the next video.